Are the Thrustmaster Raceline pedals A3 a scam? Or are they the real deal for sim racers in 2026? I know, you've seen the hype, and the price tag, so let's get straight to it. First off, these pedals are absolutely legit. They're a brand new mid-range set, think sturdy, not flashy. What sets them apart? That all-metal build. No flimsy plastic here, and honestly, they feel way more premium than something like the old T3PA. But what about precision? Well, Thrustmaster is using their magnetic HEART sensors, which means you get frictionless, super accurate input, and it won't wear out over time like old-school potentiometers. So if you're worried about consistency run after run, don't be. Now, customization. Each pedal's got 3 notches for adjustment, and the springs come right in the box. No need to bust out a toolbox or start searching for extra parts. I love that. You can tweak resistance on the fly and dial in your perfect brake, throttle, or clutch feel. Here's the catch, there's no load cell in the base model. If you're after that pro-level brake feel, you'll need to spring for the official load cell kit upgrade. But hey, at least it's designed to be scalable, so you're not locked out as your sim setup evolves. So, should you buy? If you want a sturdy, precise set that feels like a real car and you plan to upgrade later, absolutely. For around $150 or $4,299, you're getting a lot for your money. But if you're a hardcore sim racer and need a load cell brake right now, the older TLCM pedals are still tough to beat until you grab that upgrade kit. Bottom line, the Thrustmaster Raceline pedals A3 aren't a scam. They're a solid, reliable choice for most sim racers. See you on the track.